Hey everyone, today we're going to be diving into Fathom and how it works for tracking and analyzing your business performance. So, if you're trying to make sense of financials really quickly, this one is for you. So first off, Fathom connects directly to your accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks or MYOB. That means all your financial data is put in automatically, so you don't have to enter anything manually, which is really super handy. So once your data is in, Fathom literally starts analyzing key metrics, things like revenue trends, profit margins, cash flow, and KPIs. It even gives you visual dashboards so you can see exactly where your business is doing well and where you might need to step up. So one of the coolest things in Fathom is custom reporting. You can literally create reports for your team, investors, or yourself. So Fathom lets you highlight trends, compare periods, and even benchmark against industry standards. This makes presenting financials way easier. And another feature to note is forecasting. You can set budgets and even run what-if scenarios. So this helps you plan ahead and make smarter decisions in your business. It's like having a financial crystal ball but backed by real data. And finally, Fathom is all about visual insights. So charts, graphs, and trend lines make understanding your numbers way easier. Even if you're not a finance person, you'll get the picture very fast. So that's Fathom in a nutshell. It's about connecting your accounts, analyzing the data, and turning numbers into clear insights. So if you found this insightful, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.